Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how we can use different voice assistants in business. We have a company's database filled with accounts, meetings, projects and invoices. Also we have a website that shows different statistics from our database, like amount of invoices, amount of accounts, amount of projects and latest meetings. We have our voice assistant represented by Alexa that will understand our requests and our questions, that will tell them to the application in machine understandable format. It will receive a response from our application with all the information, and it will tell that response to us. So let's see how it works. Alexa, open the Atom demo.
Welcome to your company assistant. How can I help you?
What can you do?
I'm your office assistant. You can ask me different questions like, how many employees do we have? Or how many employees are working on date? Also, you can set a meeting by saying set meeting on date.
How many employees do we have?
Currently, database of the company contains 100 accounts.
How many employees were working on last Monday?
On July 30th, 2018, we have 0 of people checked in the system.
Can you tell me our current earnings?
This year, difference between your income and spends is 140,771 euros.
How many projects do we have?
Currently, we have 19 projects.
Can you tell me some of invoices?
Is it open invoices, closed or total ones?
Open.
For which month do you want to receive the information?
For this month.
Invoice sum of all our open invoices on 2018-08 is 82,063.
Create a new project.
What is the name of a project?
Snowboard website.
Can you please specify a budget?
4,000.
Project snowboard website created. Budget set to 4,000.
Set a meeting on tomorrow.
Can you specify a reason of this meeting?
Snowboard website.
At what time?
10 a.m.
Meeting on August 10th, 2018 at 10 o'clock created. Reason of the meeting is snowboard website.
Alexa, stop.
If you will need any more help, just call my name.
So, as you can see, Alexa understood all our requests and received all the information, and also it created a new projects and new meetings. We will update our website. Now we can see that it created a new project called Snowboard Website. Also it created a new meeting with topic Snowboard Website, and it told us and calculated all the information. So it can work perfectly with our applications, and we can program it in any way. For example, we can change our code to add new features. Like, for example, if we're creating a new project, we can send an email to our accountants about it. Or for example, if we're creating a meeting, we can send an SMS to all the people. Also, we can add new features like, for example, we can ask her to show us 3 latest commits on GitHub. In this case, it will work with API of GitHub and get all the needed information. In the same way, it can work with any service that we will program. It can get any exchange rate, it can get Bitcoins rates, it can get new movies or something. So everything that we can access using our code, Alexa can understand, Alexa can tell us, and we can retrieve any information using this. Thank you for your attention.